Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Walk the Talk. Today we have a guest who is not really afraid to say the things which they really are on a really bold and urgent topic: why there is no real news coverage in media nowadays. Jumping straight into it, welcome Pratna.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratna Fokla and I am currently pursuing MBA in Strategic Financial Management in EY.
Okay, so Pratna, the first question to you is why there is no real news coverage in media nowadays.
There is no real news that are spreading in media nowadays. They are only going towards the non-relevant side. They are not looking towards the real issue that should be shown to the public. They are focusing on the entertainment side rather than focusing on the real issue side. They should show the government issue, the political issue, the economical issue. So this is the way they should focus on the real world side.
Great answer, Pratna. So the second question to you is what important news gets ignored by the media nowadays?
The important news that are getting ignored by the media nowadays are focus on the local water side, pollution side, the political side, the economical side, the government issue side, rather than showing the entertainment or the dramatical side. So these are the list of the things that should be shown to the people.
Very insightful answer, Pratna. So the third question was, how do social media and algorithms affect the news we see?
The algorithm it affects in the way that people are scrolling reels nowadays. They are scrolling only Instagram. They are scrolling the entertainment aspects rather than focusing on the political insights, the knowledgeable insights that covered the media side. They should focus on the in short also rather than focusing on the social media platform. So this is the way.
Okay, very nice answer, Pratna. Why are people losing trust in media nowadays?
People are losing trust in media nowadays because the media are not showing the relevant issue. They are showing the only the entertainment side rather than showing the real world side. The public is having trust issues towards the media coverage because the media is spreading fake news nowadays. They not only show the real side, they also show the fake side also. So this affects the aspects of the people, the thinking of the people, that they should build trust in that. So this is the thing in that.
Nice one. Pratna, the last question to you is what we can do to support meaningful news coverage nowadays?
So in the case that people should support meaningful case in that meaningful case in the media coverage aspects, they should focus on the relevant issues. They should focus on the real world aspect. They should go to people, not only spread entertainment issues. They should focus on the governmental issues, the political issues, the local water issues, the main aspects of the real world side, rather than focusing on the news that are not going for the world. They should focus on the news that people see, that people learn from them, rather than ignoring it. So yes.
Thank you, Pratna. That was a really nice conversation we had on the topic. Thank you so much for joining us today.